G'day there again, guys. We're just going to quickly show you how to play one of our favourite maths games. It's called Date Maths. It's really simple. All you need is pen and paper, or you could do it in your head, or you could do it online. And we're going to show you how to do it on Google Drawing. So I'm just going to draw on the screen here. So Date Maths works like this. You write down today's date. So today is the 16th of the 4th. You want to use both numbers of the date, so it's the 4th month, 2020. So we write that out. That's our very first step. I'll just change my pen color. So then we need to use all the numbers in today's date when we're working today for Date Maths. When we're doing that, we can use any operation. So you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication. We can use division. Remember, guys, if you're using a different date, you'd need to write that out. So I've got the 16th of the 4th, 2020, because that is today's date. We can use brackets in our equation. So the idea is to use the numbers in the date and these operations to make an equation. Of course, we need an equals. We can use a number squared, so a number times itself. I can use square root if I understand that. I can use fractions. I'm running out of room here. I can use decimals, 0.4. I just like to put all those things down to remind us of the tools that we can use to challenge ourselves. So the idea is we also to give ourselves a range. So I'm going to give myself a range. My target's going to be a whole number between 0 and 20. Still looking very rough here on one last color. So for example, I might try to come up with something like this. I might be able to go 6 add 4. So then I'm doing some mental maths as I'm going. That's 10, but I'm going to try and come up with a more complex equation. I'm going to multiply that by, so I've used the 4, so I can only use each number once. Sorry, that's another rule of Date Maths. I've used the 6, so I'm going to tick them up off there in my funny way. And I'm going to times that by 1.2. which should give me, if I check my answer, do the brackets first. Of course, 6 plus 4 is 10, multiplied by 1.2 is 12. So I've managed to use one of the 2s, the 1, and I don't have to include my answer in any of these numbers. Then I could go on and come up with as many other answers as I can, use as many of these different symbols as I can to challenge myself as well. So I hope you like that. That's Date Maths, very quick version. Have a go. Let us know what you think. Like and comment any of your answers for your own date. Thank you.